This is Cashco's Ranger QCT, the most versatile, adaptable, and easily maintainable valve ever produced. While most control valves have externally accessible trim, maintenance requires complete removal from the positioner actuator system and a complete disassembly of the unit. With the inline serviceability of Cashco's Ranger QCT, only 2 bolts need to be removed to access and repair the trim assembly. The service area is a threadless design which resists corrosion or collection of chemical deposits. The most commonly replaced parts of the trim assembly can be replaced and reassembled quickly. This operation can take up to 5 hours to accomplish on a competitor valve. With Cashco's Ranger QCT, this process requires approximately 5 minutes, providing considerable savings in both uptime and maintenance costs. The Ranger offers a selection of 4 body materials with a broad temperature range from -325 degrees Fahrenheit to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, making the Ranger adaptable for the use in steam, heat transfer fluids, slurries, gases, liquids, and cryogenic applications. The Ranger's unique dual seating design provides both Class 6 and backup Class 4 seat leakage. The Ranger also features a square shaft stem connection, allowing quick and efficient adaptation to other types of actuators. In every aspect, the Ranger QCT exemplifies the Cashco motto: innovative solutions. You can expect great service, field-proven quality, and timely delivery with every Cashco valve. Want to learn more? Contact your local Cashco representative or visit cashco.com for more information.